In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add multiple Gmail accounts. This is a super useful skill to have, especially if you manage different email addresses for work, personal use, or any other reason. It allows for seamless switching between accounts without logging out. So, let's get started and make managing your Gmail account smoother and more efficient. First, go ahead and open your Gmail on your preferred web browser. Once you're on your Gmail homepage, take a look at the top right corner of the screen. You'll notice your profile icon there. This icon might be a little picture, your initials, or an avatar depending on how you've set it up. Click on this profile icon and a drop down menu will appear. This menu is your gateway to managing all your Google profiles linked to this browser. In the drop down, you're going to see an option that says Add Account. Click on it. This action will direct you to Google's sign-in page, which is where you can set up another Gmail account. If you're someone who enjoys keeping different aspects of your life organized, you'll appreciate just how handy this feature can be. Here's the fun part. Now you'll need to enter the email address you wish to add. If it's a Gmail account, just type it in, then click Next. You'll be prompted to enter the password for this account. Fill that in and complete any additional security steps such as two-step verification if you have it set up. This ensures that your account stays secure even when accessed from different locations or devices. Once you've signed in, Google will take you back to your Gmail homepage. If you check the profile icon again, you'll see that your new account is now linked and available for quick switching. But what if you have more than 2 or 3 accounts? Well, the process is exactly the same. To add additional Gmail accounts, all you have to do is repeat these straightforward steps. Each time, click on your profile icon, select Add Account, and sign in using the respective email address and password. There's practically no limit to the number of accounts you can add, making it really flexible for users with multifaceted email needs. By the end of this process, you'll find it incredibly easy to switch from one Gmail account to another without having to log in and out repeatedly. It's all about saving time and making your digital communication as seamless as possible. So there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you've added multiple Gmail accounts to your profile. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that it enhances how you manage your emails going forward. Thanks for watching and have a great day switching between your accounts effortlessly.